And this is the story all about how I joined Salt and I'm still on it now. I joined the Salt app looking for my sugar. Did you get the play on words there? Yes? No? Okay, you will get it later. This is a poetic story about online dating. It wasn't really my thing, but now I'm not hating. The truth is, I'm the kind of person that likes organic meetings. A friend recommended Salt, then my brother. I'm 28 now, so I keep getting questions from my mother. Are you praying for God's will for your life? Have you found someone that could be a potential wife? Lockdown came, online became the way we to meet friends, the way we build relationships, so I decided I was going to dive in the deep end. You know the saying, go big or go home. I took a big step outside of my comfort zone. Salt app, click. Interested in women, click. Paid version, premium. Wow, look at all these chicks. I mean, not chicks, girls, godly women, holy, godly women of God. Yes. My motive for dating is pure. Listen, I'm not looking for a fling. I desire to be married, and for the right person, I will give them the ring. Oh, yes. My experience with Salt has been cool. To be honest, I've met many, many ladies from many, many miles. Not met physically, met online, I meant. But I know I can only have one of them walk down the aisle. Can I be honest though? In my life, I haven't really dated a lot. I've met many girls, many of them were hot. But why haven't I dated a lot? I will explain. I've met many girls, attractive and fine, but if I didn't see a future with them, in my mind, I'm thinking, I don't want to waste your time or mine. I don't believe in leading people on. Today you tell them you like them, tomorrow you're gone. That's painful. That's so, so wrong. But don't get me wrong. I desire a relationship, but not to follow the trend. Hey, look, everyone. This is my girlfriend. No, that's not my vibe. To be honest, I'm looking for a friend because if we aren't friends, we might not make it to the end. The Bible says, he that finds a wife finds a good thing. So I'm still looking. I'm looking for a teammate with whom we have the shared vision, a friend with whom I can watch television, a Proverbs 13, a Proverbs 31 wife who understands, not forced submission. Someone with whom we can both be a great addition to each other, no subtraction, collaboration, no division. Many babies, multiplication, leaving a legacy for the next generation. You see what I did there with the maths? You see, you get it? You get it? No? Okay, you don't get it. Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna go now. I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna go now, but I just want to mention this, okay? I respect everyone that comes across my path. I think I'm a good guy, a godly guy. If a girl likes me, and I don't find her physically attractive, I will still like her back and say hi. If I'm attracted to her profile or I find it interesting, you know, the truth is, I know looks are important, but looks are not everything. So anyway, until next time, I'm still on Salt, looking for my sugar, a friend, a teammate, a wife, a lover. Keep praying for me, guys. God bless you. Bye.